Hello everyone. I hope you like my videos. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel. National Science Olympiad NSO Class 8. This is the sample paper given by SOF. For NSO Class 8, this is the marking scheme and syllabus. Please take a screenshot. Logical reasoning. Question number 1. 3 positions of a dice are shown below. What is the number opposite to 1? These are 3 positions of same dice. We have to find out opposite of 1. Before find out opposite of 1, we have to find out opposite of 4 because 4 is visible in all 3 dice. Adjacent of 4 clearly seen. These are 6, 3, 1, 5. If these 4 numbers are adjacent of 4, then out of 6 numbers, remaining is 2. 2 is opposite of 4. Now, let us find out opposite of 6. What are the adjacent of 6? These are 4, 3, 5. Out of 6 numbers, remaining 2 numbers are left. These are 1 and 2. We have already found 2 is opposite of 4. So 2 cannot be opposite of 6. So remaining is 1. 1 is opposite of 6. Question is, what is the number opposite of 1? Option D is correct. Opposite of 1 is 6. Remaining is 3 and 5. Both are opposite to each other. Question number 2. Select the correct water image of the given figure. This is the given figure. What is the most important characteristic of water image? It is upside down. It means vertically inverted. Left and right cannot be changed. Clearly image will form here. Option B is correct. In option A, letter A is not vertically inverted. In option C, this circle is not vertically inverted. It is same as the given figure. In option D, both the letters A and J are not vertically inverted. Question number 3. In the given Venn diagram, find the region representing persons who are educated and employed but not confirmed in job. This is the Venn diagram. This circle represents educated people. And this circle represent employed people. This triangle represent confirmed job. So we have to find out the region which is educated and employed but not confirmed in job. Common area of employed and educated is this, but we have to discard area of triangle. Triangle is confirmed in job. Clearly option C is correct. The area is B. This area. Science. Question number 4. Bees which are not carrying honey fly with a flapping frequency of 440 Hz, while those which are carrying honey fly with a flapping frequency of 300 Hz. The sound made by bees which are not carrying honey has a dash. Options are a lower pitch, a higher pitch, a smaller loudness, a greater loudness. As we know, pitch, loudness, these are characteristic of sound. So before solving the question, we have to clear about the terms frequency, hertz, pitch, loudness, also amplitude. These terms are responsible differentiate between different type of sounds. We know the moment of pendulum. If a pendulum moves from its mean position and covers some distance, again return to its mean position, then move to its opposite side, once again return to its mean position. This is called one oscillation. So number of vibration, or we can say oscillation, completed in 1 second is called frequency of the sound. It is measured in hertz. 1 vibration per second, it is 1 hertz. Similarly, 10 vibration per second, it is 10 Hz. Honeybee moves its wing as up and down, so it oscillates its wings. 440 Hz means 440 oscillation. So this is frequency of sound made by honeybee. Now, pitch depend on frequency. So what is pitch? It identifies high or low sound. It means high pitch, shrillness. Low pitch, flatness. High pitch, it has high shrillness. But it is not same as loud sound. Chalk scratching has a high pitch. But drum beating, it is low pitch. So what is loudness? Maximum distance traveled by bulb of pendulum from its mean position is called as the amplitude of the vibration. This amplitude is responsible for loud sound. Drum beating, it has loud sound. Higher the amplitude, louder the sound. Lower the amplitude, it is feeble sound. Drum beating has a higher amplitude than scratching of chalk. So it has a loud sound. Now question is very clear. 440 Hz. It means higher frequency. Frequency is responsible for pitch of the sound. Bees which are not carrying honey flap with a flapping frequency of 440 Hz, which is greater than 300 Hz. So the sound made by bees which are not carrying honey, their sound has a higher pitch. Option B is correct. Honeybee, those are carrying honey, has 300 Hz. So their sound has a lower pitch. Loudness does not depend on Hz. Question number 5. The pressure of the water near the bottom of the wall forming a dam does not depend on dash. To understand this question, we have to understand pressure exerted by water on the bottom and wall of the container or dam. We know that pressure equal to rho into height into G. This is the formula of pressure. This question will be cleared if we will derive this formula. It is very simple. Pressure equal to force by area. Let us take a cylindrical container. Its base is circular. Area of the circle is A. If the container is filled with water, then area is this circle. It means pressure of the liquid will be exerted on this circular surface, which is base of the container. Now, pressure equal to force divided by area. What is force? Force equal to mg. M equal to mass and g equal to acceleration due to gravity. We know that density equal to mass by volume. So mass equal to density into volume. So this m, mass, can be written as a density into volume, or we can say rho into V. Now force equal to rho into V into G, because m equal to rho into V. Rho means here density. It is also known volume of the liquid equal to base into height. It means A into H. So V equal to A into H. We can replace V as A into H. Already we have written pressure equal to force divided by area. We can replace force as rho into A into H into G. We can cancel area. So pressure equal to rho into H into G. It means density into height of the liquid into acceleration due to gravity. H is this height, which is height of the liquid in the container. Now, regarding the options. Option A, the depth of the water. this h, which is height of the liquid in the container, or we can say dam. So height depend. Option C, density of water, which is rho. So option C also depend. Option D, atmospheric pressure. We know that in the air column, atmospheric pressure differs from place to place. In a particular place, the atmospheric pressure, which is the weight of the air column, exerted pressure on the surface of the water. So higher the pressure on the surface of the water will affect the density of the water. Already we have discussed the pressure of water on the bottom of the container depend on density. When pressure increases, density also increased. Pressure decreased, density also decreased. So atmospheric pressure also affect the pressure of water near the bottom of the wall, forming a dam. So option B is correct. The cross-sectional area of the reservoir pressure does not depend on it. Question number 6. When copper is exposed to moist air for a long time, which of the following is formed? We know that if copper vessel is exposed to moist air, a green layer is formed on its surface because copper reacts with oxygen and make a oxide which is called copper oxide. This oxide, when combined with carbon dioxide, forms copper carbonate. It makes a green color on its surface. The green material is a mixture of copper hydroxide. So option C is correct, both A and B. Option A is copper hydroxide. Option B is copper carbonate. This is copper hydroxide and this is copper carbonate. Question number 7. Which of the following on reshuffling gives the term that refers to the process of sowing seeds manually by sprinkling them on soil by hand? These are the jumbled letters. Option A is tilling. Option B, plowing. Option C, broadcasting. And option D, winnowing. Question is sowing seeds manually by sprinkling them on soil. It is by hand. Clearly option C is correct. This is broadcasting. Tilling is the process of loosening the soil. Plowing also same, loosening the soil. Winnowing is a separation method in agriculture to separate husk from the grain. But broadcasting is sowing seed manually by sprinkling. Question number 8. Which of the following groups represents the bacterial diseases? Option A, cholera caused by bacteria. Tuberculosis also bacteria. Malaria, it is caused by Plasmodium parasite. Measles, virus. Option B, smallpox caused by virus. Tuberculosis, already we have discussed, it is by bacteria. Malaria, parasite. Typhoid, bacteria. Option C, cholera, tuberculosis and typhoid. All are caused by bacteria, but measles caused by virus. Option D, cholera, anthrax, tuberculosis, typhoid. All are caused by bacteria. So option D is correct. All disease in this group caused by different bacteria. Achiever section. Question number 9. Anju performed an experiment to compare the strength of different fibers. He arranged the setup as shown in the figure. Arrange the threads in order of their increasing strength. This is the given setup. This is hook. Thread of same length and thickness were taken. This is weight. Weight were put one by one till the thread broke. It means the setup tells about strength of the fiber. Name of the fibers are given: nylon, silk and cotton. According these three fibers, nylon is strongest because Nylon is a polymer, which is a kind of plastic. It is stronger than natural fibers like cotton and silk. Because it is chemically made, nylon is strongest. Because of its strength, nylon rope is used to make parachute and rock climbing. It is stronger than a steel wire. Both silk and cotton fiber are natural fibers. Silk is stronger than cotton because cotton largely affected by moisture. So option D is correct. Nylon is strongest. Silk is stronger than cotton. Question number 10. Refer to the given figures of bacteria X, Y and Z and read the statements 1, 2, 3, 4 regarding them. These are the given bacteria and these are the statements regarding the bacteria. Question is, which of these statements are incorrect? Statement 1. Bacterium X can be causal organism of typhoid. We know that typhoid caused by bacteria Salmonella typhi. It is a rod-shaped bacteria, but X is comma-shaped. But comma-shaped bacteria is Vibrio cholera. Disease cholera caused by Vibrio cholera. So, statement 1 is false. Regarding statement 4, bacterium X can be the causal organism of cholera. It is a correct statement. Cholera caused by Vibrio cholera and it is comma-shaped. X also comma-shaped. So statement 4 is a correct statement. Statement 2. Bacterium Y can cause a disease which disrupts proper exchange of gases. Y is Streptococcus pneumonia. It is spherical shaped. Y is Streptococcus pneumonia which is spherical shaped. It is responsible for causing damage in lungs which disrupt proper exchange of gases. It means lungs function. So statement 2 is a correct statement. Statement 3. Bacterium Z can convert lactose sugar of milk into lactic acid. Z is lactobacillus. Lactobacillus convert lactose into lactic acid. So statement 3 also a correct statement. Only statement 1 is wrong. So option A is correct. Statement 1 only wrong. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to get another videos. Bye bye.